Children are so full of energy, and if you don't channelize that energy in the right direction, they're bound to become cranky and irritated. And if you let them drift off into the world of television and cell phones, well, that can have a detrimental long-term effect on their mental and their physical health. Thankfully, I found a perfect solution to this with ClassMonitor's activity-based home learning kit. This kit contains over 250 carefully crafted activities, which Inaya performs herself. There's also a free app subscription that I get, which helps me ensure that she performs the activities correctly. It has everything from flashcards to puzzles to art and craft activities. What makes it great is that the learning is experiential and screen independent, which is very rare these days. So while helping her to do these activities, it also helped me bond with Inaya in a whole new way. ClassMonitor is great for people like me who want a perfect blend of traditional learning with modern techniques and technology. Do give ClassMonitor a try, and you can thank me later.